Zencode 1.0. Zencode organized all Karachi robotics competition at Unique Foundation School, Karachi, where teams from different schools, colleges, and universities participated with their robots, hosted and organized by Shah Fahad Ahmed. There were 2 categories: remote-controlled package delivery robot and the most interesting one, Robowars. Presenting highlights and results of the event in this video.
McMasters.
Congratulations to Team Ababil Talha Salim from PAF KIET for dominating both categories of the event. Please leave your feedback about the event in comments below. Subscribe Robotube Pakistan for more.